Hello and welcome to this presentation of what's new in JMS version 10. This video introduces you to JMS's new functionalities. We suggest you watch the entire video to make sure you are familiar with the new features. You may pause the video at any time if needed and return to it later on. You can view a detailed list of all new functionalities from the JMS Online Help homepage located at www.carus.ca/jmshelp. Simply click the What's New in version 10 link in the center of the page. After reading the list and viewing the video, you should adjust the access rights for the new options and configure which employees will have access to these options. One of the new general features continues our initiative to convert all reports to the Fast Report tool. We have improved the grid exportation, which is Control F12, with the Fast Report format. Exportations to Excel are therefore made easier and provide better display as well as higher printing quality. For example, you may wish to export a list of all products included in line code 250. Start by displaying the list in the General Display window. After pressing Ctrl F12, the list is ready to be exported. Once it is displayed in the Fast Report window, simply click the Export button and select Excel Table. You will then save the file as you would any other Excel file. The invoice list detail is also now available in the Fast Report format. Fast Reports can be easily identified by the yellow puzzle shape icon. A file designed specifically for the e-modeling application can now be extracted from JMS in the Sales and Invoicing reports under the Invoice Tools window from the Invoicing module. The file can be generated for the required dates and stores. You can also specify which line codes need to be included. After saving the file on your local drive, it can be exported directly into the application. No change is necessary because it has been pre-formatted to meet the e-modeling site requirements. Note that the data includes lost sales. In view of all the expected changes to line code numbering, the massive modification functionality has been improved to make the process, and any further changes, easier for you. The massive modification window has been completely redesigned, and new options have been added to facilitate product key changes, whether it is by product, line code, JMS subline, or USI subline. The Product Deactivation, Delete Product, and View Deleted Products tabs present in earlier versions have been regrouped under the Delete Product tab. However, their use has not been modified. Version 10's new functionalities appear under the new Key Modification Copy tab. They are Massive Product Key Modification, Massive Product Copy, Single Product Key Modification, and Single Product Copy. Several options are available for each functionality. They are also clearly identified. Before accessing one of these functionalities, you must first determine what type of task you want to perform. For example, if you wish to modify the line code for a group of products, you need to choose the Massive Product Key Modification function by clicking the OK button. The window informs you that following the modification, all products will be deactivated if the key already exists, and that sales statistics and stocks will automatically be merged. Enter the old line codes number as well as the new one, and check the price list subline box if you want to use the price list sublines. Then click OK. The system will generate the list of all products affected by the modification. Check the subline that must be modified, then select the product's new subline, either the one suggested by the system or an entirely different one that you will have entered in the subline creation starting number field. You also need to select the deactivation classification for products that will be deactivated. Once you have filled out the entire window, click Proceed to start the massive modification. Once the procedure is completed, JMS displays a message indicating if all changes have been successfully applied. Each new massive modification functionality is explained in JMS Online Help in the How To section. JMS version 10 now allows you to send account statements to your customers by email. A special installation is required, however, on the server to activate the process. For example, sender email accounts must be set up. Please contact the customer service to sign up for this functionality. They will guide you through the rest of the steps. Starting in the System module, on the Stores window, under the Email Settings tab, enter the sender email address, as well as the subject of the email that will be sent to customers. The subject can be defined in English and in French. In the customer file, you may define a customer's preferences for account statement delivery. He may choose to receive the statement either by paper or email. Under the Document Delivery tab, select the appropriate option. If email is selected, enter the customer's delivery address, then click Save. In the Statements window, click the Send button to go to the Statement Delivery window. You there have the option to send the statements according to the customer's delivery preferences, whether it is paper or email. When paper is selected, you can choose which type of paper will be used to print the statements, either a pre-printed form or regular plain paper. When this option is selected, the statement of account will be prepared in the language indicated in the customer's file. The Statements Preview and Save options used during your month-end procedures are still available, although they have been moved to the Report menu, which is the printer icon located at the bottom left portion of the window. Another new feature was added to the Accounts Receivable module in Customer Consignments. When printing a list of consignments, you may now insert page breaks, allowing a single customer per page. With the new Centralized Orders functionality, multi-store owners can create a single order for more than a store at a time. After saving the order, transfers are automatically created from the source store to the destination stores. They are linked to the centralized order. When receiving the order, users can simply ship the transfers. To create a centralized order, you first need to access the Order Suggestions window and create a multi-store suggestion using a template. A template can be created for each type of order. For example, you may create several templates for your main supplier, each with a different ordering threshold, such as a min-min, a min-max, and a max-max. You may also create the same templates for your secondary supplier. If you need help creating an order suggestion template, please go to the online help or view the What's New in version 9.1 video. Once the suggestion has been generated, it is displayed on the global view and divided per supplier. Select the supplier for which you want to create an order and click the Details button located in the bottom right section of the window. Like for any regular order, you can verify and modify the quantity suggested by JMS. Double-clicking in a product's quantities field will display the suggested quantity for each store. In the Multi-Store Quantities Update window, you can change the ordering quantity for a specific store. The system will adjust the quantities for the entire order. If you need, you can use the revert icon, which allows you to return to the original quantity. Back on the detailed view, select which products should be ordered. Note that it is now possible to calculate the total cost of checked products directly from the item ordering window. After the order has been created, you may view the transfers that are linked to it from the Orders window. Click the Quick Access button located to the right of the order number and select the Transfers option. When receiving the order, the system will ask if you wish to manage the transfers immediately, or in other words, if you want to ship the transfers to the destination stores. This step can, however, be executed later. When you are ready to ship the transfers, go to the Transfers window. Use the Order Number filter under the new Advanced tab to list all the transfers linked to that order. You can then ship the transfers as usual. Thank you for watching our What's New in version 10 video. We hope you enjoyed the presentation. You may now contact the Carus customer service to plan the installation of the new JMS version.